HSRP or High Security Registration Plate is a new form of number plate that is tamper-proof and has non-reusable locks. As per the provisions of Central Motor Vehicle Rule, it is mandatory to have HSRP on all vehicles. Government of Odisha has given this timeline for various categories of vehicles. Vehicle registration number ending with 1 and 2 need to comply with the procedure for affixing the HSRP by 31st August. Similarly, the deadline is given in this table for other registration numbers. The fine for not affixing HSRP on a vehicle can range from 5,000 to 10,000. Now let us see how we can apply for HSRP for vehicles bought prior to 1st April 2019. Firstly, we need to navigate to siam.in, which is Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers. Then we need to click on Book HSRP button. On the next page, we need to enter the full name, vehicle registration number, email, mobile number, select the state and district, and select I agree checkbox and click on the submit button. On this page, we need to select the district, vehicle type, and the maker. We need to close this pop-up. It says like in case of any error while doing the payment, we can wait for 1 hour without trying again. After that, we need to enter the registration number, chassis number, engine number, and click on search. After that, the customer city, and we need to select the dealer to place the order, and we need to select the date and time. Once it is done, on the next page we need to enter the first name, mobile number, email ID, select the vehicle class, and then we need to enter the value present over here in the captcha and click on proceed. Then we will be receiving a one-time password on our mobile number. We need to enter that OTP and click on pay online. Once it is done, we need to make the payment using one of the options present in the payment gateway. Once the payment is done, we will be receiving all the details regarding the fitment appointment with the dealer.